What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video, man. Hey, we going up, bro. I'm excited because I'm finally able to start on the one and only. Yes, sir. Y'all see I already got it jacked up. I got the 3-ton jacks because, whew, you feel me? She good, she's sturdy. Oh, I got the rear up because I want to take these exhaust off, you know. So y'all already know what I'm supposed to be doing with this front. I'm finna be hitting it with the hopefully one can. Where is that? But hopefully this one can will be straight. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna do a K member by itself or just go on and do the whole engine bay. But 9 times out of 10 I might hit it with hit the engine bay with it, or I'm probably just gonna do a high temp black. But as y'all see, man, rust spots. The under the car don't even look as bad as I thought. The car looks good. Like, I am shocked, I am surprised. Now right here, y'all see this, but I can hit that with a hammer on the inside. Let me see, there we go. It's like dented right here. But I feel like what you know, they was lifting the car with the forklift. That's how this got dented. But man, you know, little small stuff. Bro, I'm like, I ain't even gonna count y'all. Since I jacked this up, this jump made my day. Cause I thought I was gonna be looking at a lot of rust. When I tell you this it looked like this car only been sitting, matter of fact, been driven. So I'm probably just gonna do a spot spray, because at first I was just gonna get like 6 cans and spray the whole undercoat. But when I tell y'all it looked so good out of there, man, I ain't even gonna, nah. I'm finna say it looked better than my other Camaro, but it actually looked the same. So it looked like the car been driven. So it actually just have small rust. So I'm freaking excited, man. Like I said, I know the firewall area. I'm gonna hit that with a high temp black. Depending on which kind of spray can I have, I might go on and tag this part, because I was gonna do it the same color as the car, but I'm like, nah, you know what? I'm gonna just go on and hit it with the black. Oh man, but this is a real project. That bit don't got no screw for this. I mean, but it's fairly smooth though, no cap. Well, it's gonna take the lower control arm off, but I'm not. I'm gonna drop it with that because, yeah. Okay, finally done. She took them off. Sway bar. Hey, y'all comment if y'all got the 4th gen. Is this bent or is made like that? Cause I'm gonna write down everything that I like really need that I'm gonna get like once I get the motor and stuff. So y'all comment if y'all got a 4th gen. If this bent or just made like that. I don't know why I took this off. I could have kept this on because I see that it's not even really hold up by anything. And I thought that this was on the K member, but it's not. It's only held up by 6 bolts. And you see they different sizes. So towards the front, it's gonna be the long bolt. Then you'll have another bolt on this side, gonna be your middle, and you'll have your back that go right there. It's gonna be your small. Now they was telling, now when I was looking this up on YouTube how to remove the K member, they was taking off way too much stuff. For one, they unhooked the power steering, this part, the shaft. which is, as you see, it's bolted to the frame. So I didn't even have to unhook that. These folks took this off. So you only had to take off these, remove the brake hose, your knuckle, and the strut, and take out the bolts. That's all you gotta do. Like, folks will unhook everything, but the only reason it took me long because I had to break mine loose, of course, because it had a whole bunch of dirt and stuff. But now, what they didn't lie about, it being light. Bro, I'll say this like 45 pounds, bro. And that's with the lower control arms. See, the dude that I seen, he had took these off. But could you believe this is just a K-member, bro? Feeling how light this thing is, bro, I might go on and invest in the tubular. The tubular might be like 15 pounds, but we gonna go hook all this stuff up, then we finna get to cleaning. Already been hitting it with it for about 25 minutes, so I guess I'm gonna just finish it up real quick, then we're gonna go from there. It has so much dirt on this thing, bro, but it look way better. I think this is just metal right here. Some of this still dirt, like it done got hard like metal. It really was just in that little spot. I mean, I got a little mud and stuff right there, but I'm gonna hit it with the brake cleaner. This one fairly done. I can still got just a little bit right there. Okay, now for what y'all had seen before I even started on, it was super dirty. I still got a little dirt and stuff right there, but I don't even care cause I don't really know why I'm putting all this effort into this, and I'm gonna change it out later down the line though, but I still wanted to look fairly, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Now I was gonna use this, but as y'all see, I got a different kind of nozzle, so I can't even put that thing on. How she looking? My battery's finna go dead. So I'm gonna finish this up, man. Dang, she look pretty good, y'all. I'm finna throw my camera on charge for a little bit while I go to the store and get another can. I might paint my engine bay, I don't know yet. This is the before. You feel me? Until next time, man, y'all leave a like, share, and comment if y'all mess with me. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. So just in case I don't get back in time, man, this is where we're gonna end it at. Yeah.